guys, it's the Chicken Girls cast, and we're gonna be showing you the Birds of the Feather dance. So we're gonna be doing 4 counts right now. So the first step is you're gonna step out with your hands like this. So just step in, but you're gonna push it down once you're in. Then after that, your left foot goes out and your right hand goes out at the same time.
And then when you say me, your right foot goes out to me. So it's out, in.
Okay, so let's do that slow, but put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's my girls, my fam, my family.
So it's my girls is what me and Dylan are gonna be doing. And then they're gonna be spinning, going down to their knee and crossing their arms. But what we're doing is my girls are my fam, cross your arms on fam, and then my family.
So let's do that, but let's try to put it all together. Okay, let's do it slow,
yeah.
Okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So this next part is mainly hand motions, so me and Dylan go 1, 2.
They're 2 and we're 1, guys.
So stronger in numbers, so it's 1, 2.
Turn your head with your fingers. So you're basically going like this and you're twisting your wrist.
Which is also 3, 4, so it's 1,
2, 3, 4. After that, it's so basically your hands are crossed and you're pushing out.
You're pushing kind of like watch out to the world, like boom, you're here.
So watch out, world, up, down, look. And your feet are basically going out like this. Okay, let's do it with song. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Listen up now, listen to me, my girls and my family. Stronger in numbers, it's no wonder. Watch our world, watch and we'll see.
8. Okay guys, so after that, you're gonna be putting your right back first, then up, back, back. So it's gonna look like this.
Yep, and then right after that, you're gonna be doing this thing called a ball change, and your right foot's gonna go back, and then your left foot's gonna pick up again. You're gonna walk, and when your right foot comes forward, you're gonna snap your arm and throw your hip back while you're walking away.
There's no stopping us and our gang.
So the next steps are, after you've landed, this is right before the chorus, your arms are going like waves, like this. Basically, you're like a bird or whatever you want to be. So you're putting your foot out and you're putting your body down. So you're kind of like 1, 2, together, then out on the right, together, point. So right after you've landed here, you point. So it should look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next 4 counts are, after you've landed here, you're gonna walk with your left foot and you go like this. So once you've landed here, you're gonna step with your right and you're gonna, basically your hands like this and your hands kind of like turning us. And then we're walking back to the chorus. Now we are on to our favorite part of the whole song.
The chorus. Okay, well, the beginning of the chorus is kind of easy. All you really do, these are the arms. The first thing you do is you slide to the right like that, boom, down, and then to the left, boom, down. So with that, the counts of that is just 1, 2, 3, 4.
So after that, you're gonna use your hands are basically pushing down your body, but your foot is going out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your hands are going up, down, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The next step after that is you're here, down, and you're gonna take your left arm, and you're gonna spin it across while you're turning. Clap.
After that, this is kind of just, you can do whatever you want right here, but your arms are like this. You can do whatever kind of groove you want. Basically just backing it up like that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So that completes the first verse and the chorus. Now we're heading on to the second verse. And the first lyrics are time goes by. The moves to that are you're gonna take your left hand, you're gonna pretend like you're pulling something like this, like time goes by. One more time, time goes by.
After that, when you go time goes by, basically putting your foot in, but your arms are like this. It should be like this if you're standing straight. So your foot should be inward, and then basically you're switching your hands like this, then back together. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after that, you've landed here. You're putting your foot, you're basically pushing your foot out, and your hands are like this. So after you push your hands, like, you're basically just pushing your heels. Okay, so let's do that with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what we added. We didn't tell you guys that yet. Okay, that was a little surprise.
So after this, you bring your hands up and you kind of like do a little roll with it, and right as you're down, you pop your left leg out.
And then your hands are basically locking.
Boom.
So this is basically called locking.
Click. Go.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Time
1,
goes
2,
by,
3,
tick tock tick,
4.
can
1,
measure the
2,
moments
3,
with a click.
4.
So the next part of the dance is me and Dylan are gonna go towards each other. We're just pushing back as our hands go up. So it's 1, 2, and then they're gonna go the opposite direction, 3, 4. So it's
1, 2, 3, 4. So the lyrics are growing up but not apart. And then after that, you're gonna basically circle around your partner if you're doing this with someone. If you're not, then just circle around yourself. And then, so basically you're gonna land back in your spots.
so it's
But these two are switched.
1, 2.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Who's ready to do the whole thing?
I'm ready.
Let's
Are
do
you
it.
guys ready?
Let's try.
Listen up now, listen to me, my girls and my family. Stronger in numbers, it's no wonder. Watch our world, watch and we'll see. There's no stopping us and our gang. Come back for you, like a boomerang. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather. Time goes by, tick tock tick, can measure the moments with a click. Growing up but not apart, this crew will always be my heart. Still no stopping us and our gang. Come back for you, like a boomerang. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you had the best time. And now it's your turn to get your girl gang together and practice these moves.
Then show us what you got to win a signed Chicken Girls poster. Bye.
Bye.